Hey, what's up tech fam? It's Middle-Aged Guy and today we will be cracking open something really cool and we will see if this will have a permanent spot as one of your daily drivers. So what we have right over here is the Baseus open-ear earbuds, the Bowie MF1 open earbuds from Baseus. And actually this is not the only open earbuds that they have in their lineup. Actually, a few weeks ago we have also unboxed and reviewed one of their other open earbuds, which is the Bowie MC1. And if you want to see that video, I will put the link up here in the corner. So the Baseus Bowie MF1 is actually having a wireless high-res audio using the LDAC codec. What does LDAC actually means? LDAC, which stands for Lossless Digital Audio Codec, is actually developed by Sony, and they have developed this codec for audio content transmission, even high-res audio at a maximum bitrate of 990 kilobits per second, even over Bluetooth. So for each and every one of us, what that means is that we'll have higher quality of audio coming through the earbuds over Bluetooth because of the higher capacity of bitrates that are coming through even over Bluetooth. This Baseus Bowie MF1 has Bluetooth 5.4 in it with 16mm large drivers. It also has bass enhancement algorithm and it has 60 hours battery life, including the charge that you can have on the charging case in itself. So now let's go ahead and open this Baseus Bowie MF1 and let's see what we got inside. So opening the box for the Baseus Bowie MF1, we can see that we have some paperworks right over here. We also have some stickers. And we do have our charging cable, which is a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, quite short. And here we have our charging case with our open earbuds inside. So as you can see, it's quite big, even if you compare it to an AirPods case or any other case that we usually have. But it's not that bulky and it can still fit in your bag or in your pocket. So opening this, as you can see, we have our open earbuds right over here. Let's take one, and it actually has whoops, oh, it's already removed, some stickers that we need to remove in front. Okay, so for the touch panel, so actually we have touch panels on both the earbuds that we have right over here. So different controls, double tap, triple tap, can be configured on the Baseus app, which I will show you later on. And here is our earbuds in itself. It has a high quality silicone that goes over your ear. And this portion right over here, this one is the heaviest part of it, so it will keep it snug under your ear, and it's actually a bit magnetized if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so here is our right open earbud, and here is our left earbud. So let's also remove the stickers for the control touch, and the connection points at the back. Okay, so here is our earbuds. Let's see if we will be able to do a close-up of this earbuds right over here. So it is a nice combination of colors, black and navy blue colored earbuds. Okay, so let's see and try this to fit in our ear. Okay. Yeah. So this is how it will look like. This is a side view. Let's see if we can close this up for you guys to see. This is how it will stay on your ear. Actually, it doesn't really cover your ear canal, so it sits on top of your ear canal. And the good thing that it has a directional audio that it will be able to really push the sound in your ears without really being inside your ear canal. So this is what I like about this MF1, if you remember, and if you have watched the video of the MC1 review that we did, actually that MC1 actually sits on top of your ear canal. So maybe I'll show you a video also of how it looks like right over here. Okay, so as you can see the difference between the two, one sits on top of your ear canal and this one is actually right above, so it leaves your ear canal really open. So personally, I like this design better. And actually, I have been using this earbuds for quite some time now. So it's actually really comfortable in the ear. Actually, sometimes I almost always forget that it is actually in my ear. And there are a couple of times that I have been able to sleep with this in bed. And when I wake up, so that I still have the headset on my ear. So that's how snug the fit is. And actually, even if you do a little shake up and down, all around, it will stay right in your ear. So talking about sound quality of the earbuds, the sound quality of this is quite good, and it actually delivers a lot of audio quality in the ears, even if it is sitting on top. Like I mentioned, it's sitting right above the ear canal, not directly in the ear canal. So the volume of the sound coming in is really nice, and even the bass quality is quite nice. Of course, we will not be able to get a full experience of really having that thump in the bass because it is not going inside our ears and in our ear canals, but it's actually quite pretty good. And the Baseus software itself also has different kinds of settings that you can do for the sound profile of your earbuds. But for me personally, I always actually choose acoustic as it has the most neutral balance when it comes to the sound profile. But they also have the capability for allowing you to be able to do the EQ by yourself depending on your sound profile that you like. So now I will quickly show you how it looks like on the Baseus app. So let's pull up the app right over here. So now let me show you guys what it looks like on the Baseus app in itself. So if you can see here, once you have paired your headsets or your open earbuds to your Baseus app, it will show something like this. And you can just click on the Baseus Bowie MF1. And this is how it looks like. So you have spatial acoustics for music or cinema. Usually I just do normal, and you have different kinds of EQ mode like I mentioned, and you can also do a custom EQ mode if you wanted to. Apart from that, we also have bass boost to enable the enhanced bass, and we also have a low latency mode to reduce any delay, especially if you're using this for playing, like for example some FPS games on your phone. So it will be good to enable this low latency mode. So we also have some gesture settings like over here, like I mentioned before. So we have double tap, press and hold, and we have tap 3 times. So each of this can be changed to different settings depending on your need for the left and the right. Okay. And it also has actually a feature to find your headphones. So this is a good feature that we have. So once you are getting your earphones, or you lost one or two of your earbuds, actually you can call either the left or the right earbuds, and it will show you the vicinity on actually where it was last seen. And once you press this call button here, so when you press this button right over here, it will actually emit a sound on the earbud that you are calling, so that you will have an easier time in finding those earbuds. But this specific area, the area where the earphones are last seen, is actually quite good. So you will have a a generic place where you can try to find your earbuds first. So that is it for the software for the Baseus Bowie MF1. So now, what about mic quality on this Baseus Bowie MF1 when it comes to calls, or when you're doing like Teams calls or Zoom calls? Actually, it's quite clear, and it has some AI technology to reduce the ambient sound that you have when you are in a noisy place. But it is not perfect. It's a normal microphone that you can use, but it is very usable, and you can't go wrong with it during meetings, or even just a normal phone call, especially if there are some ambient noise like winds or some noise around. It has the capability to really focus in on your voice and to give that clear audio to the receiver on the other end of that phone call. Alright guys, so that's it for our review and for our unboxing for the Bowie MF1 from Baseus. I would recommend this MF1 over the MC1. That's just a personal choice for me, but up to you if you would prefer the other kind. Actually, the other kind is more easy to really clip into your ear, but I find this more comfortable and it can stay longer in my ear. I have worn this more than 12 hours in a day and it didn't fall off. I even slept with it, and the sound quality is actually quite good on this small open earbuds. And again, the other thing that is crucial for me is that it's not sitting on top of my ear canal, it's actually sitting above it. So I still have really a good sense of what is going on around me, especially now that we have a newborn. Even small cries, we really need to be able to hear all of those things. So this is really something that I have been using daily for the past few weeks, even over my AirPods currently right now. So if you are interested in the Baseus Bowie MF1, I will leave the link in the description below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can hit me up in the comment section below as well, and I will do my best to answer each and every one of your questions. So thank you guys for joining us today, and I hope you liked our video for today. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Middle Age Guy. I will leave that link right over here. And if you also want to watch some more of our videos, I will leave that over here and over here. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!